Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with a video on how to install this universal keyless entry system for your garage door. Now this one is a universal one. It's made by Liftmaster. I'm not being sponsored by them or anything like that, or Genie for that matter, that my garage door is made from. I have a Blue Max. Mine was produced in 1995. This system here only works with garage door openers that were built or produced after 1993, and they have to have the sensors on the bottom, the light sensors. So like I was saying, this one here, after researching, trying to find one that would work with my system, because my system actually is made with dip switches, which is this right here, these little switches on my remote right there. And on the mother unit, it's the exact same thing. And mine happens to be a 12-digit dip switch system, which is better because it provides better security. So people try to, drive down the street with those code readers, they won't be able to, find yours that easily. But anyway, so here's the instruction sheet. And basically all it tells you is to, when you program the system there, the door should be closed. And there are 3 steps in doing the what do you call it, the programming. So in this system here, it's basically pushing the star and pound button both at the same time until the keypad lights stop flashing. And then you enter your 4-digit code that you came up with, any 4-digit code you want to use. And then you got to use the ID, the dip switch ID. And basically, after you find out what type it is, or what type of opener you have, then it, right here it tells you dip switch ID. So if yours, for example, is like mine is a 12 dip switch Genie garage door opener, then my code is 13. And then from that point, you go down in this section right here, and then you look at the dip switches, which is like right here, because this, whatever it's set here is the same as it's set on the mother unit, which is right there. There she is. My Blue Max is right there. So yeah, so once you find out what they're set at, and then the sequence is 1. If it's up, it's 1. If it's down, it's 2. And then you write that sequence all the way down, put it here, and then you go and program this keypad, like I said, by pushing the star and pound at the same time till the light stops flashing. As soon as it stops flashing, put in your 4-digit code, push pound. After that, put in the ID, the dip switch ID, push pound, and then put in the sequence numbers, which in my case 12, and then push pound. And then you push in your 4-digit code, and then press the 0 button, and the door should open. And then you can close it the same way. So I'm going to walk over here and show you where I basically decided to mount mine. So I'm mounting mine here on the left side of the garage at exactly eye level. And it says in the instructions to go ahead and do it above like the height of little kids, so they don't mess with it, and also away from the door. Obviously the door is not going to touch it because this molding is right there. And because mine is in concrete, I have a concrete frame here. That's why I got these little anchors right there, to make sure that, because the 2 screws they provided me with will not go into concrete. Those came for like going into wood. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it up there, and then show you guys it in operation. All right, hold on a second. Okay, so I went ahead and mounted it, and basically I just put the battery cover back and the slide cover back on that once I mounted the unit itself. And I'm gonna go ahead and close it, but first just need to make sure there's nothing blocking the view of the photo eyes. Okay, and let me just move that out of here real quick. Alright, so basically, like I said, you just come in, put the code on there. You can see my door is closing, which tells me that that's a good, successful program. And now I'm gonna go ahead and open up the door again, and there goes the door opening up. So this is great for if the the remote you have for your car, if the battery goes low, doesn't open up. And also, if you want to give somebody else access that doesn't have a key to the house, you can always give them access to the garage. And like I said, this is a great accessory to add to your system. Like I said, mine happens to be this Genie Blue Max here, and all I had to do was make sure that the dip switches, which are right there, matched my remote ones also. And as we come back here, like I said, and in this paper here, you can keep this for your records, because like I said, it's got the original 4-digit pin there, the ID, and then the sequence of the dip switch. So just keep it with the records, and you're good to go. All right. And like I said, this one was made by Liftmaster, but it works with these two models, and it works with all the door openers that work on the 390 megahertz frequency, or thereof, close to that. All right. Well, there you go, guys. Like I said, it was a video for this Liftmaster here. Please give me a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, take care.